In this video I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Android 14, and let's begin without too much talk. Swipe down from the top, go to internet, and there you have, make sure the Wi-Fi is on. You might have it like this. Turn on the Wi-Fi and see all the networks, and this is the network, după monitorizare, and the password, you have to type the password. If you don't have a QR code, unfortunately you might find the password somewhere written on a paper, but you can also paste the password. So that's the password, and we can show the password, is not a problem. This is a temporary network, so it doesn't really matter. Sub to Yon How To at YouTube, simple. And for advanced options, you really want to leave everything default DHCP to set the IP address automatically. So press connect, and we are connected, checking for internet access, and the internet should be fine. So you are now connected.